Hello everyone, we are Team StarTech from SMK St Xavier's, and our group members are myself, Hayden, Leong, and our supervisor, Miss Michelle. Together, we come up with a program called SprintSPARK. The team Move More, Live More. Here is a group photo of us. First of all, what is SprintSPARK? SprintSPARK is a program which will help users keep fit while also enjoying their time. Here are a few screenshots of our program.
So, what are the main problems when it comes to exercising? First, the lack of motivation to exercise. Many people understand the importance of exercise but struggle to find motivation to start or continue. Secondly, the difficulty of maintaining a consistent exercise habits. Many people start exercising with motivation, but over time they lose that motivation due to busy schedules, which causes them to stop their routine. Next, the lack of immediate rewards for exercising. The benefits of exercising, such as better health, fitness, and weight loss, often takes weeks or even months to notice. And finally, the low engagement with traditional fitness apps. Therefore, it will get boring and repetitive. So what is our solution to these issues? Our solution is a fun lifestyle program that helps motivate people by making exercising fun and being able to redeem rewards by just working out. For example, users can use points earned to redeem healthy drinks from Boost. What is Boost? Boost is a company that serves healthy fruit drinks to customers.
There are some existing solutions such as the Apple Fitness app, Strava, and Runkeeper. Then, you may be wondering, why our app and not the others? First of all, our program implements game mechanics to make exercising interesting, such as being able to complete various tasks to accumulate points and redeem real-world items. Next, we use AI body detection to track a user's body movements to ensure they carry out exercises with proper form. Next, we use connected devices to collect and send exercise data online for real-time monitoring and progress tracking. Lastly, we combine all of these to generate our program. Here is a screen recording of our program.
Hey guys, welcome to our program SprintSPARK. So here is our login page. As you can see, I'm going to enter my email first. Press enter. Next, I'll put in my phone number. So I'll log in. So here's our main menu with the daily tasks. I'll explain more on this later. First, I'll go to the stats menu. So here are stats. The distance ran and walk won't work yet because the GPS function doesn't work on Pictoblox at the moment. Then, as you can see, the user has completed 578 squats and the calories burned won't work yet. Okay, so next, the choose your exercise. So we have 5 exercises available: swimming, running, walking, squats, and push-ups. For now, the swimming function doesn't work because we don't have the hardware available to make it work underwater. So going back to the exercises, same as swimming, the running and walking doesn't work yet because Pictoblox doesn't have the hardware available to make it work. The GPS function will hopefully be added in the future so we can incorporate it into our program. So for the push-ups, I will show a live demonstration. As you can see, there's a counter on the top left corner. It goes up every time I do a push-up. So we'll exit and we'll move on back to the exercise. Next, I will do squats. Same with push-ups, the squats will be counted on the top left corner. After we exit, then coming back to the daily tasks, the user will get 3 every day, but they differ. For example, we have completed the push-up and squats tasks, but haven't completed the burn calories as there is no function on Pictoblox which can detect calories burned. Moving on to the offers. the user will collect points based on the intensity of the workout. So after you save up 5,000 points, you can claim a free boost string. In the future, also includes gym membership trials which can be exchanged with points. Finally, this is our logout page. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this recording.
So, what do you think of our program? Before we end our presentation, we hope in the future to implement this program maybe into quirky AI robotics. Why? Well, because it makes learning interactive, combines STEM with fitness and real application of AI. Well, that's all from us. Hope you guys enjoy our program. See ya!